Join us as we go shopping.
Did they just open?
Look, they're open at 9. She's gonna go shopping with me.
What time is it?
Oh, here they go. Alright,
it's
it's
not.
9 o'clock, everybody. My wife came with me. We'll shop at Yamaguchi Nursery. Oh, we know that guy. There's Al. Look at Al. There's Al. A Bucky shirt. Look at that.
Tough, man. It's a good year.
Lots of people, 9 o'clock. Took an hour to drive out here in the fog.
Oh yeah, it's very fluffy.
Yeah. Do we need anything? No. But it'd be fun to go shopping. It's always going fun to go shopping. Good morning. Look! They're famous. Look at them. I film you, you film me. I say hi. Let's go shopping. Time to go shopping. Anything else you like? Look at all they have here. I don't need stuff. I never need stuff. Hi, good morning. Look, some pots. Some nice pots. Look at these pots. Nice pots. Very cool. There's people in my way, like this guy that doesn't want to move. This guy in the blue. Oh, hi, Manuel.
Hi.
Oh, hi. Some really cool sidekicks. Rock planting there. That's a nice Rio. Other stuff they have. Oh, we got some, look at this one. That's not bad. Star lavender. It's a silverberry. An American pot. It's not bad, actually. I need a silverberry. There's a cork elm. We know that guy. The jasmine. Other stuff that I really don't need. Excuse me, ladies. No, you're good. You're good. You're good. You're good. Here's a giant canary. Some silverberries. Some billboard. Not bad. Good morning, gentlemen. Good morning. They got more stuff down here. Good morning, sir. Look at the mulberry. That's a really cool mulberry. It's not bad either. Some other pots here. Excuse me. Good morning. Ooh. That's a really cool pot. Bag style. It's an old pine. It's not a bad old pine. You're looking for old pine here. Some ficus. You're looking for some ficus here. Not bad for a tiger bark. 150. That's really cool. This is from Mitch, if I can read the things correctly. Some really good trees. A little on the higher side. Yeah. That was a... Some of my other some Utah junipers. Good morning. How you doing?
Fine, good to see you.
You can see some bigger pots.
Love your videos.
No, thank you. Someone at least watches.
Hey.
I like the stone.
Like that?
Look at that stone. Look a little, almost like a hut cut into. Some bigger pots. I have a tree for that.
You do?
I do.
I have the pots for it.
I know. I just hurt my back just looking at it now. Thanks, Mel.
Yes, thank you.
Mudahay. Look at that Mudahay. That's a good price for a Mudahay. It's chipped a little bit. White chichibai. Nice lantana. Kind of nice wisterias.
Really?
And some hieracantha. Mr. Chase trees. Look at those. Those are really nice old trees.
That's a nice one.
Nice to build a forest out of.
Well, you can call it.
I was at a church, a sale at a church, at Bonsai at a church, and
All right.
You see that really big mulberry?
I recognize all people.
Nice Nanking cherry. What do you think? Nice mulberry. Mr. Che. So look at check some forest out.
I need your tags on the back of the receipt.
Check that forest.
Oh, you have
Check that. Check out the ficus. Well, that's kind of cool. It's a pear skin. Look at that pear skin pot. Looking for a. That pot's not bad either. Check out this pot. That's not a bad pot. Brand newer pot, production pot. Not bad for the price. Oh, Yamaguchi. I recognize the pot. Alrighty. Let's see if I can get Bob Pressler to do something if he's around.
This one, right?
The white tag is gone, it's sold. Yeah. If the white tag is gone, the item is sold. If it has the white tag on it, it's available.
Look at some of
Take
the
the
old,
tag, but do not take the
old
item.
knob.
If it has a white tag on it, it's available.
It's a Psyche.
If the
Check
white
out the
tag is
Psyche.
gone, it is sold.
That's a number pot. 40355. That's an interesting pot. Actually,
See, you notice how they are both. This has a narrower leaf. This is the sort of more traditional one. That's a pretty
See any pile cantho?
Yeah. Haven't seen one yet, have
some of the ficus are pretty well priced. I'm looking for a round, unusual pot. Too smooth of a pot. tree for it though. Something rougher, probably nice.
If you find something you want, just remove the white tag and leave the item where it is. Once you have the white tag, it's yours.
The Riho's not bad. I have a ficus for that probably.
What will you put in it though?
Oh, ficus. I have a ficus for it.
Okay.
But
It's shallow?
it's shallow. Hey buddy, how you doing? Oh, check that out. That's really cool. A broom style. If you're looking for a broom style. 150, not bad. Nice bad billboard. Bless you. That's not a bad pot either if you're looking for a real nice pot.
It's a nice glaze on that.
Real unusual. Nice square feet.
Oh, I love that color.
The problem is it's in between. Sorry? It's in between styles. Let me get Bob really quick while he's kind of free and empty here. All right, let me take another round.
So that's the other reality about bonsai.
Alrighty, I think that stone actually is really nice.
Oh yeah, you have a good eye.
Tom, you gonna buy anything?
I already have. I already have. Like, do I need anything? That's the better question. I brought my wife too, so not sure that's the great thing on camera here. Check this. I like the stone.
You shop smart. Yeah. Yeah, you do. Yeah.
Do I need another stone? Probably in my lifetime. Yes, I do. This is Mr. Shea's trees. Get a chance to kind of look at them. They're really well refined. All right, me trying to get Bob really quick.
Hey, welcome to the, I don't know what annual it is, but one of many, California Bonsai Society members sale. We do this every year on the Sunday after Thanksgiving here at Yamaguchi Nursery. And it's always the most looked forward to sale in Los Angeles.
You can grab the tree.
People were lined up. I got here at 7 o'clock this morning, and there were people already lined up.
Just check out, make sure you get a
Got plenty of trees. How many trees of every variety, size, price. Good for beginners, experts, and intermediate. And gonna have lots of fun, sell lots of trees, so come on down.
Thanks, Bob. They have the easy job. The easy job. They have the easy job. Make sure.
This is the hardest job.
Make sure no one steals trees. That's their job. All right, let's kind of do one more pan. I got my trees, well, I got my pots, not really trees. But let's do a quick pan of everybody. This is what California calm looks like. Oh, we got Bill Ward and his couple of trees. I like your broom. Your broom's actually pretty nice.
Oh, thank you.
So you're looking for people. You got other people out here. Not bad.
He had a good life, except for the last week or two.
A couple of things that you missed. I did like silverberry. Someone picked up a silverberry, and that was not a bad price actually for silverberry. That Riho pot's not bad. Looking for a Yule Pond holly. You know my little secret now with males and females. Go back to that back corner. I think things are a little bit higher priced than normal. But check out that. That's a collected peach. That's kind of cool. Hi, Mitch.
Hey, how you doing?
Good. All right, check out some of these pots. That's a hand-signed custom order pot. That's kind of cool. That's a what we call a pear skin on that one. Alrighty. You see anything interesting? Turn this camera around really quick. All right, if you're here, tag yourself. I'm gonna keep going shopping here. I'm gonna probably do a quick wrap up in the car. If you guys like the video, like this wrap, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.